Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing just a simple product overview of the Bissell ICONPet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This thing is a powerful and intelligent vacuum for whole home deep cleaning. It's got a runtime of up to 50 minutes. It works great on all different types of floors and surfaces and comes with all these cool swappable heads to adapt your vacuuming to the task at hand. So if you're looking to get a vacuum and you're interested in this one, there are a few reasons in my opinion for snagging this. First, its versatility. We've got every type of floor in our house and we needed something that would work effectively on all of them. So hardwood, tile, carpet, rugs, upholstery and furniture, etc. And this beast delivers. Second, for its power. We've got kids who are amazing, but they're constantly making messes and often drop stuff on the ground when eating food, crumbs, and other stuff that are kind of heavier to pick up. So we needed something powerful enough to pick up heavy debris without having to go over the same area a dozen times. And then third, because we have a dog who is amazing but sheds all the time, and because his hair is nearly invisible on all our furniture and carpets, we really needed something that was designed for pet hair and could strip it out of all the furniture, carpet, and rugs and do so reliably. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, simply like, heart, or give a thumbs up to this video, stop watching, and just go buy this now. It's awesome. But if you'd like more details and to see this little bad boy in action, then stick around. It's worth watching to the end. First, we'll go over the swappable heads, starting with this one. Now, I couldn't find names for them, so I'm just gonna make them up on the fly, starting with this one. This is the Super Deluxe Hardcore Workhorse Motor Bar Cleaning Head, TM. As the name implies, this is your workhorse. You're gonna use this 90% of the time. It works on all different kinds of floors and surfaces, so hardwood and carpet and tile, rugs, even on couches. And when activated, the headlights come on and which makes cleaning easier to see and to detect particle pickup. But it comes with this nifty parking brake that I've actually never seen on a vacuum. So how you activate it is you simply push on this button here, and it puts a brake on the motor bar wheels so that you can safely lean the whole vacuum up against a wall without it sliding all over the place. So, which is kind of a cool feature. And then to remove the brake, you simply press forward on the entire wand in the cyclone area, and then the brake will come off for easy vacuuming again. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush, or what I call a combination tool. So you've got a crevice nozzle on one end, and then you've got a soft brush head on the other. And by simply pressing this button here allows you to move up and down the soft brush head to go from using the crevice nozzle for picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas, to sliding up the soft brush head for picking up and removing dust, debris, and hair from sensitive surfaces and furniture. Finally, you have the couch cushion hair screw tool, which is freaking dope. I love sticking this on the end of the wand and then just going to town on my furniture and snatching up all of the pet hair that gets really embedded into the fabrics. Then we'll move on to the mounting station and this little head clipper. So you can insert this little head clipper into either side of the mounting station. And what it allows you to do is to mount this onto a wall and then to hang upright your vacuum. And then this little clipper allows you to insert the wand or the 2-in-1 combination tool or the couch cushion hair screw tool for easy access, but having it all in one place, which is really nice. Then we move on to the cyclone itself. Starting from the top, you've got this little power button here, and then right next to it allows you to, it's called the mode button, which allows you to turn it on to turbo mode or eco mode, or return it back just to auto mode when you turn it on. Then you have this little input plug on the bottom that allows you to charge the cyclone when it's needing juice. And then right next to it, you have one of the 2 filters that you're able to remove. So you, you remove this little shield here, which reveals the filter. And then when it gets dirty, you simply take this one along with the other filter that I'll show you in a second. You run them underwater and rinse them. You let them air dry for 24 hours and then insert them back into place and you're good to start vacuuming again. Then you have this button here, which allows you to disconnect the dustbin to empty it out and to remove it completely from the cyclone. You simply remove this top here, and then you dump out the dustbin. And then here is the second filter that I just mentioned. And then when you're done emptying out the dustbin, you simply line up those little white indicator arrows, wedge it back into place, and you're good to go.
So on a full charge, we can clean our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the toy room, book nook, another kids' room, the entire stairs, I should say all of this carpet too. The living room, the dining room, the kitchen, the mud room, the entry room, the bathroom, a closet, and our master bedroom, all in one charge.
And what I'll do is I'll occasionally switch it to turbo boost mode to like pick up harder and heavier debris, especially like when vacuuming on carpet. And then once you're done cleaning, you're going to need to actually empty out the dustbin, which can be simply done by removing the dustbin from the cyclone. Do so over a trash, and then just remove the filter head on the top, empty out the dustbin, give it a couple of pats if necessary, then wedge the filter head back onto the dustbin, mount the dustbin back onto the cyclone, and then you're good to go. And then charging it is really simple as well. So you just simply plug it into this little port found here. And when done correctly, the indicator lights will like turn on and almost pulsate, displaying how much of the battery charge it has. So if it isn't obvious by now, it's sleek in design, simple to use, versatile in function, powerful, effective, and can vacuum my entire house on a full charge and empty dustbin. It works really great on hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, tile. It picks up all different types of fine debris, and it picks up my dog's hair on furniture, the constant messes my kids make, and cuts my cleaning time from like 2 to 3 hours to little under an hour. It takes 4 hours to fully charge it. It's got a runtime of up to 50 minutes, and it's equipped with that like parking brake, which allows you to lean it anywhere without it falling over, which is really nice. So anyways, that's my product overview of the Bissell ICONPet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in the video and found it in any way helpful and informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or heart on the video. Over and out.